to show you really quick today how to change your yarn in the middle of a crochet project. Now this works if you're coming to the end of your ball of yarn and you need to start a new one, or if you need to make a color change. Either way, this method will work. It's my favorite method. Really simple, and I'll show you with a few different stitches. So right now I'm doing single crochets, and how you can change your yarn is go into your next single crochet, and right before the final step where you would yarn over and pull through, you're going to stop, drop your yarn, pick up the tail of your next yarn, put it over your hook and pull through just like you would to finish it out, but with a different color. You can kind of give things a little tug to make sure they don't loosen up too much. And then you're going to just keep going with your new color or your new yarn into your next stitch. Like so. And then you can clip off the tail of your old yarn and keep moving. Now I'm going to show you, it's the exact same thing in a half double crochet or double crochet, really any stitch. You're just going to complete all of your stitch except for that final yarn over and pull through. So if I do a double crochet, here I am on my last step. I'm going to drop the yarn I'm using, pick up the new yarn, and pull it through on that final part of the stitch. And then I can keep going with my new yarn. Same thing even at the end of a row. If I want to change colors, if I'm doing stripes, on that last yarn over, pull through, and I can start my new row with a new color. Now if you're making a lot of quick color changes in a pattern that has a lot of different colors happening, you can also learn to carry your yarn so that you don't have to clip it off every time and weave in the ends every time you change colors. And if you're interested in a tutorial on that, I have that as well. And other than that, that's all there is to it, to changing colors or new balls of yarn in the middle of a project. Hope it's helpful.